Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss an interesting technique that is particularly useful when slides consist of a large number of elements. Oftentimes, we find ourselves rearranging the slides in a presentation before eventually obtaining a finished version. It is very convenient to group certain objects and reposition them together. When we group a number of objects, we can move them as a single piece instead of moving them individually, thus making the process quicker and easier. We can be more accurate too, especially if we've already spent some time in order to align the objects. If we would like to group objects, we need to select them and then go to the Home tab. Click on the Arrange button where we can find Group. Once we click on Group, the selected objects will be grouped and can be moved together. An easier way to group objects is to use the shortcut for grouping, Ctrl+G. Now that the objects are grouped, when I click on one of them, I am selecting the whole group. If you would like to modify any of the objects once they have been grouped, you will need to use the Ungroup command. You can find Ungroup in the same place where we found Group, Home tab, and Arrange. Once we select Ungroup, the group will return to its constituent parts. A shortcut for Ungroup is Ctrl, Shift, and G. This was our short introduction to the group and ungroup functionalities. We will apply the ideas in practice a number of times during the next videos that are part of this course. Thank you for watching.